G'day everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group with another weekly real estate market update. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Only a few weeks now until Christmas. Can you believe it? It's already here. I'm very excited. I love Christmas. And this year at the community, locally here in Palmwoods, we're running a community event. Myself and the local group PCBA will be hosting it. It's going to be a great movie night. And we've also got the local choir coming down to do some carols on the night. So that's going to be quite exciting. More information on that will be shared soon. This week in the real estate market, well, the markets are definitely moving down south. They've seen a lot of new properties come to the market in Sydney and Melbourne, reporting about a 45 to 50% gain in new listings coming to the market. So giving buyers a lot more choice down there. And the auction clearance rates have fallen slightly as well. There was actually a reported 3,562 properties taken to auction nationally last week. Of course, majority of those, about 3,000 of those actually, are in the Sydney and Melbourne areas. And the auction clearance rates were reported at about 75%, so slightly down on the previous week, but still up on this time last year. So we're seeing things starting to slow down, particularly in those southern states. And new listings are certainly rising down there as well. In Queensland, Brisbane has reported a 0.6% growth again this week, or last week, I should say, aligned with Adelaide, 0.6% property price increase for the last week recorded in those two states. So still a lot of demand here, and we're still seeing a bit of a peak of the market right now in Queensland. There has been an increased listing amount of about 22% in Brisbane. However, up here on the Sunshine Coast, it's certainly not the case. We've actually seen a reduction in listings by about 1% over the last week. So a reduction of listings, and we're definitely experiencing that locally. A lot of the buyers we're speaking to just can't find properties right now. If looking around the area, there's few and far between properties for people to choose from. So that demand is still there, but there's a severe shortage, which is still good, I guess, for sellers who are choosing to sell. Now, on realestate.com, they track all the stats, and it's one of the largest search engines for property in Australia. And they've seen quite a bit of a spike in the views per property listing in Queensland and locally here on the Sunshine Coast as well. So a lot of people are searching for properties in the area, above most other states, which have seen a little bit of a decline. The views per listing across the board is certainly up. But Queensland certainly seems to be on the map for a lot of people. And I expect it's a lot of those people that are selling in Melbourne or Sydney and deciding to choose the Sunshine Coast for a premium lifestyle destination, which, as you know, if you live here, it certainly is. We're experiencing a bit of a mixed bag of buyer demand ourselves. Certainly for entry-level properties, we're seeing buyer inquiries through the roof. We've actually listed a property last week, and we listed it for offers over $539,000, which would be considered entry-level property here on the Sunshine Coast. Now, we had 2 open homes there. We had 58 groups through, over 100 inquiries online and on the phone as well, and 18 written offers within a very short period of time in a week. So that sort of demand, certainly for that price category in that lower end. When you're looking at the middle range of the market, 800, 900, up to $1 million, and certainly above that, we've seen the number of inquiries reduce, but the quality, the people that are coming through, calling us and inspecting the homes are certainly cash buyers or buyers that have pre-approvals and ready to put pen to paper when they find the right property. So there's a lot of those buyers, and we've got a lot of those buyers that we're dealing with just searching for properties and opportunities for them to find their next home, and it's few and far between. My expectation over the next couple of months is that that trend will continue. We'll have a lot of buyers that we're working with trying to find properties and fewer properties to show them. We are working right through the Christmas period. I think it's going to be a busy time actually for sellers. The benefit of right now is that there's low competition. So if you're a property owner and you put your house on the market, there's not too many other properties around for those buyers to choose from. So that's a big advantage. And I think that's going to remain over the Christmas period, which typically people take a little bit of time off and relax. But those buyers are still going to be here. That buyer demand is still going to be high. And I think we're definitely going to see that this Christmas. Guys, that's really it for me this week. Hope you have a fantastic week ahead. If you need anything I can help with, please give me a call. Talk soon.